Planet Mixel's bravest defenders have arrived. May I present the ninjas.
They only wanna push you away. Some days people don't see you. You feel like you're in the way.
Their names
Today
are
you feel as everyone hates, pointing their finger, looking at your mistakes.
Mysto,
You
Spinza,
do good,
and
they
Cobrax.
want great. No matter what you give, they still wanna take. Give your love and
They defend the whole planet from danger, darkness, and even the forces of destruction. Let's get started. Show them what it means to be a true ninja. First, we draw the leader himself. Elderlies go first.
Some things you should let go. They're only gonna pull you down. Just like weight on your shoulder. They're only gonna make you drown. We all swing high, we all swing low. We all got secrets people don't know. We all got dreams we can't let go. We wanna be brave, don't be afraid. No. Today, live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and throw it in a fire. In a fire, in a fire. Fight like a warrior. Today, live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and throw it in a fire. In a fire, in a fire. Live like a warrior. Your heart is too heavy from things you carry a long time. Been up, you've been down. Tired and you don't know why. But you're never gonna go back. You only live one life. Let go, let go, let go. Let go, let go, let go. Today, live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and throw it in a fire. In a fire, in a fire. Fight like a warrior. Today, live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and throw it in a fire. In a fire, in a fire.
Here's the gong on his chest.
Today, live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and throw it in a fire. In a fire, in a fire. Fight like a warrior. Today, live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and throw it in a fire. In a fire, in a fire. Live like a warrior.
Here's his staff. There's Mysto. Next up, we draw Spinza. Here's his swords. From what we've learned, anything can be a weapon. Alexa, play Rise of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles theme song by Rise of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Rise of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles main title.
This
by
reminds me
Rise
of the times
Teenage
I went to
Mutant
Astro
Ninja
Gallery,
Turtles on Amazon
one of my favorite
Music.
stores. Here are his legs. New York City is full of amazing surprises. I can never get enough of it. Growing up in shadows, New York City underground, uncovering the power that's been hiding all around. The city needs heroes when there's trouble on the prowl. Four brothers from the sewers rise to take the villains out. Rise of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. There's Spinza. Now we draw cobrax. In shadows, Splinter trains them. In darkness, they find their fate. Better with each adventure, yeah, they've gone from green to great. Each one with their own power, making their own moves to the game. Mikey, Donnie, Raph, and Leo, putting bad dudes to shame. Four dudes from the ooze going down. Cowabunga! Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Here's the small python sticking out of his tongue.
We're not doing this all day tomorrow. Got it?
Okay.
Going out tomorrow.
Here are his sides. And finished. There we are. That's how you draw the ninjas. Spinza. That's how you spinza. That's how you draw the ninjas. The brave warriors themselves. Cobrax. Gotcha. Spinza. Oh yeah. And mysto. The power is within us all. Until we return, it is up to all mixels to preserve the balance. With color, diversity, and mixing. It's the ninja way, man.